Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, March 22nd. We're looking at the SPY, IWM, and Triple Q's ETFs market profile here on Window Trader. And a couple of simple things that need to be accomplished today by either side. Well, first and foremost, we have Jay Powell going on a talk show circuit. Today we're fortunate. It's 9 a.m. Eastern time, so I'm not sure if there's a Q&A, but I would think his speech is at least done before the market opens for regular trading hours. Next 2 days we're not as lucky. I think tomorrow's at noon and Wednesday's at 10 a.m. So those are very important things to keep in mind. Like I said, he's the only one I really care about as far as hearing anything coming out of his mouth. As far as what needs to be accomplished today, pretty basic. We're one time framing down. The market is down in the daily in all three of these indices. So for buyers, they want to take out Friday's high to stop that. Right now, out of the three of them, with an hour, about 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, Triple Qs are attempting to gap higher out of theirs to go back into balance. So if we take out the highs, we'll go into balance. Now, for sellers, they want to take out Friday's low and more for more than one reason. Those are all weekly lows in the SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. You take those out and you start pressing lower in the intermediate time frame. So two very important things right now from each side to try to accomplish. Right now for SPY and IWM, in balance, in value, the worst of your risk rewards. Destinations for SPY this morning. On the upside, right now, our pre-market high is 390.72, and that's not coincidentally 2 cents lower than Friday's 9-wide pop of 390.74. So again, we talk about mechanical. Can it be any more mechanical than that? Then we have 391.57, Friday's high, 391.97. Remember, we still have the price probe to deal with. The ex-dividend had something to do with that because where we opened on Friday. And then our single prints, 393.60, get filled at 393.86. For the downside, right now, pre-market low, 388.34. And then until we get more market-generated information, we don't have anything until Friday's weekly low of 387.15. Then we have 385.31 daily low, 381.42 weekly low. So as you can see, wide and far apart. So game plan early this morning in SPY. Well, like I just said, imbalance, in value, worst of your risk reward. Until M period really flushed out, we were looking at possibly using J's low as an afternoon pullback low, right? Change took place above A's high on Friday. But then once we ripped higher, we really petered out. The buyers lost total energy, no steam, no tempo. We ended going 9 wide, and then it just flushed with the quadruple expiration, went right back to half back like I thought it would, settled above it a little bit, and now here we are right back to where we were on Friday. Now, can you use J's low as an afternoon pullback low? Not really, no, because M totally violated it. Can you take along? Again, imbalance in value, worst of the risk-reward trades. I think I would like to see more market-generated information. If we open and push up, well, you have a very visual area here. So maybe they front-run the overnight high and the 9 wide. Again, you could take a short out above it. In value, in balance, worst of your risk-reward. On the flip side, if you push down, hold M's low from Friday, you could take a long. I'd be out either below half back from Friday or value low. Just early plays here in the trading room. And then just quickly, I'm just going to show you, well, I'll show you the weekly and the daily on the SPY. So here's the weekly. We are one time framing up. Had a long discussion with my mentor this weekend. He looks at the weekly as balance. I look at it as balanced to up. Again, very subjective. I'm giving the buyers a little credit for one time framing up 2 weeks. As long as they hold Friday's low, I'll continue to use that. And then on the daily, we are down. All 3 of these time frames are down. We need to take out Friday's high to come back into balance. If we take out Friday's low, not only will we be below the 20, we'll be testing the 50-day moving average as well. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.